We still haven't added any code. We have a lookup table, tile size exponent to pebbles. A pebble is the smallest possible tile within our renderer. In this case, a pebble and a game size tile are one and the same right here in this entry, the first entry. We have a lookup table for tile size exponent to discrete units. The discrete units in the DOM. Within our renderable space, we've partitioned our renderable space into discrete units, and this is the lookup table that takes those relative tile sizes, denoted by a tile size exponent, and figures out how many discrete units are in that tile. These constants existed previously, so you can look up the video where they came from if you want. The pebble lookup table and the lateral span lookup table are inversely correlated. So we're going to go up through the entries here and down through the entries here. And if both tables are correct, we will have no failures here. A smoke test to make sure there's 7 entries in both of these new lookup tables. Monkey wrench macros. Once again, we've changed the name of this function. Previously it was this, but we were missing the tile size exponent. We need the tile size exponent and the discrete units x in order to make the transformation to the global tile y. We've added this new parameter here at the beginning. We've only added this one line of code in the body. We'll do the rest of the code in the next video. Same thing for the y-axis. Previously it had this name. We were forgetting this. Now we have it. We've added this parameter here in the beginning. And here we get the discrete unit span from the tile size exponent, but we still have to do the rest of the math. We'll do that in the next video. Within the move function, we need to get the tile size exponent and pump it into the function call we've been making, because we refactored the name and refactored the implementation. What we did previously, footnote, what we did in this video. You have been on this playlist here. You can get the source code here. Like and subscribe.